I'm not even in it, by the way. So I just joined. Like a few minutes ago. I forgot. Like 3 or 4, 2 minutes or... Mommy, I am 8 weeks old now, and I'm the size of a raspberry. I'm about 14 meters long. My tiny arms and legs are now moving. I am ready to open my lungs now.
Target spotted.
Did he say what is funny? Or gore is funny? Wait, I think he said gore is funny, I don't know. Ugh. Oh my fuck. I swear, God. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, Ernest. Ernest, please go to sleep. Fucking bitch. It's like as if you're down and he can like take 35 damage. It's like as if we're down, as if we just got revived, and then he just hits us and we're just dead. Oh shit. He's gonna fly. Oh, never mind. I swear. Finnish people are scary as fuck. Yo. I'm scared. Oh fuck! I'm scared. I'm scared. No. Where is he? I swear I'm scared now. You know he's not even gonna. You know he's not close to me. I'm scared. No. Wait, where is he? Where is he? Where did he go? Yo, where did he go? Oh, he's over there. I tried to say Raptor, but I was so scared. I swear. This is getting scary now. Scary? Damn, Tails. Yo, what the fuck? Ow, bitch. One hit left and it's over. One hit left. One hit left. And it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. No. It's over. It's over here. Oh, cream. Cream. Cream, where are you? Cream. I'm on one! Ow, fuck! Shadow! Shadow! You didn't do this! Yes! Ow, fuck! Oh, Shadow! Wait, how much longer am I doing together? Cream? Oh no, that's Rouge. Where's Cream? Cream! Cream! Wait, what? Oh! What was that? Oh no. Rouge, you know the sign. Is he being camped? Wait, who was camping him? Was it Shadow? Oh my god! That was scary! I'm forever scared of Furnace people or mains. Oh my god! I thought I was gonna make it, but no! Forever scared of help. You are my sunshine, my only shine. You are my family. Wait, what? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Target spotted.
I think he did say door is funny. Yeah, never mind. I think he did. I think he did see this. Oh. Yo, where is he? I'm scared. Oh, Malonautos. Wait. Oh! Oh. Oh my god, oh. Oh. Fucking scared me. Why is he this so close? Danger almost got him. Dangers? Oh. Yo, bro, stop. Yo, bro, what the fuck? Oh. Tails, be careful, Tails! I'm lagging. Oh my god! Damn it! I missed so bad. I missed. Please! Leave me alone! Oh my god, Shadow! You like saved my life. Oh fuck. Oh hell no. He's coming down here, right? Did you just fart? Oh my god! Almost got my ass taught. Oh no, he's after me. Oh my god! Why do you do that? Oh, thanks! Oh. Did you just see that? It's just me, Shadow, and Tails. Oh my god. I'm lagging. Oh, Furnace is the one lagging. No, I'm lagging. I swear this is scaring me. Where is he? Oh! I swear my light is making me scared. Oh, poor Shadow. He's huge compared to me! He's huge compared to me! Right there. Oh. Oh. This is really scaring me, actually. No joke. I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here. Come on, come on. I'm going in. I was so scared I even started to beg. I think. That's why I didn't. Help! Come on. Yes! I was getting so scared, bro.